The dire wolf, a creature once lost to time, has sprung back into existence. This awe-inspiring predator, larger than any wolf alive today, vanished from the earth thousands of years ago. Now, thanks to cutting-edge science, it is among us once more. Colossal Biosciences, a company pushing the boundaries of genetic engineering, has brought the dire wolf back from the brink of extinction. This remarkable feat has sparked excitement and controversy in equal measure, raising profound questions about our relationship with the natural world. The company's scientists, working in high-tech labs, have managed to weave together the threads of DNA from ancient bones. They have breathed life into a species long gone, offering a glimpse into a past when giants roamed. The news of the dire wolf's return has sent ripples through the scientific community and beyond. It is a powerful testament to human ingenuity, but it also raises ethical questions about our role in shaping the planet's future. The return of the dire wolf is not just a scientific marvel. It is a cultural touchstone. This creature, once known only from fossils and legends, has captured our imaginations for centuries. Its imposing size, powerful build, and fearsome teeth have made it a staple of mythology and popular culture. Now, with its return to the land of the living, the dire wolf promises to ignite our curiosity and challenge our assumptions about the natural world. This resurrection is only the beginning. Colossal Biosciences, with its ambitious plans for de-extinction, stands poised to revolutionize our relationship with the past. The company's work raises profound questions about our responsibility to the planet and the ethical implications of manipulating life itself. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, one thing is certain: the future of conservation has arrived, and it is far wilder than we could have imagined. De-extinction, once a concept confined to science fiction, is now a reality. But how did Colossal Biosciences achieve this seemingly impossible feat? The answer lies in the revolutionary technology of gene editing and a deep understanding of ancient DNA. Scientists began by obtaining genetic material from well-preserved dire wolf remains, painstakingly extracting fragments of DNA from bones thousands of years old. These fragments, like puzzle pieces scattered across time, contained the genetic blueprint of the dire wolf. Using sophisticated computer algorithms, scientists pieced together these fragments, comparing them to the genomes of closely related species, such as the grey wolf. By identifying the key genetic differences, they could pinpoint the genes responsible for the dire wolf's unique traits: its massive size, powerful bite, and distinctive appearance. The next step involved the groundbreaking technology of CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool that acts like a pair of molecular scissors. This technology allowed scientists to precisely target and manipulate specific genes within the genome of a living cell. In this case, they used CRISPR to edit the genome of grey wolf cells, introducing the genetic variations that would give rise to dire wolf characteristics. The final stage involved implanting these edited cells into surrogate mothers. The resulting offspring, though not perfect genetic replicas of their extinct ancestors, possess many of the defining characteristics of dire wolves. This groundbreaking achievement demonstrates the transformative power of biotechnology, blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. De-extinction, once a distant dream, is now within our grasp, offering both tantalizing possibilities and ethical dilemmas. For the dire wolves brought back by Colossal Biosciences are not mere shadows of their ancestors. They are living, breathing creatures, bearing a striking resemblance to the majestic predators that once roamed the Pleistocene epoch. These revived wolves possess many of the physical characteristics that set their ancestors apart, including their imposing size. The revived pups are already noticeably larger than their grey wolf counterparts, and they are expected to grow significantly larger as they mature. Their coats, a striking blend of pale hues and darker markings, are reminiscent of the dire wolves of old. The thick fur, well suited to colder climates, hints at their ancestors' adaptation to the harsh environments of the Ice Age. Their heads are broader and more powerful than those of grey wolves, with a distinctive dome-shaped skull that housed the massive jaw muscles responsible for their bone-crushing bite. Perhaps the most striking feature of the revived dire wolves is their teeth. They are noticeably larger and more robust than those of grey wolves, reflecting their ancestors' predatory prowess. These teeth, designed for taking down large prey, are a testament testament to the direwolf's role as a top predator in its ecosystem. While the physical traits are remarkable, it remains to be seen how closely the revived wolves' behavior will mirror that of their ancestors. Scientists are eager to observe their social interactions, hunting strategies, and overall demeanor to gain a deeper understanding of the behavioral repertoire of this resurrected species. Section 4. Lords of the Pleistocene, the direwolf's reign and fall. The dire wolf, a formidable predator that once roamed vast swathes of North and South America, holds a captivating place in the annals of prehistory. Larger than any wolf alive today, these apex predators ruled the Pleistocene epoch, their reign lasting for hundreds of thousands of years. Fossil evidence paints a vivid picture of their dominance, revealing a creature perfectly adapted for survival in a world vastly different from our own. Dire wolves were masters of their domain, their powerful bodies built for bringing down large prey. Their powerful limbs, coupled with their massive teeth and bone-crushing bite force, allowed them to take down prey many times their size. Fossil evidence suggests that their diet consisted largely of megafauna, giant creatures like bison, horses, and even mammoths that roamed the Pleistocene landscape. These wolves were not solitary hunters. They thrived in packs, much like their modern-day grey wolf relatives. Their social structure, essential for bringing down large prey and defending their territory, was a key to their evolutionary success. For millennia, they thrived in a world shaped by ice ages and populated by giants. But their reign, like that of all creatures, was not to last. Around 13,000 years ago, the Pleistocene epoch came to an end, ushering in a period of dramatic climate change and ecological upheaval. The megafauna that dire wolves depended on began to disappear, likely due to a combination of climate change and human hunting pressure. Deprived of their primary food source, dire wolves faced an unprecedented challenge. Their specialized hunting strategies, so successful for millennia, became a liability in a rapidly changing world. Unable to adapt to the new realities of the epoch, the dire wolf faded into extinction, leaving behind only tantalizing fossils and a legacy etched in the fossil record. Section 5. Decoding the past. DNA extraction and genetic engineering. Colossal Biosciences' achievement in reviving the dire wolf hinged on a delicate and intricate process of DNA extraction and genetic engineering. The journey began with ancient bones, remnants of a bygone era, encasing within them the secrets of the dire wolf genome. Extracting usable DNA from these ancient remains, some dating back tens of thousands of years, presented a formidable challenge. Over millennia, DNA degrades, breaking down into smaller and smaller fragments. Environmental factors such as exposure to water, heat, and microorganisms further accelerate this process. To overcome these obstacles, scientists employed cutting-edge techniques to recover and piece together the fragmented DNA strands. Once extracted, the DNA fragments were painstakingly sequenced. Their order of nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA, deciphered. This process, akin to reassembling a complex jigsaw puzzle with millions of pieces, required sophisticated computer algorithms and a deep understanding of genetics. By comparing the dire wolf's genetic code to that of its closest living relative, the grey wolf, scientists could identify the key genetic differences that accounted for the dire wolf's unique traits. Armed with this knowledge, scientists turned to CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool that has transformed the field of biotechnology. By introducing CRISPR-Cas9 into grey wolf cells, along with a template containing the desired dire wolf gene variants, scientists could effectively edit the genome, replacing grey wolf genes with their dire wolf counterparts. This process, repeated for multiple genes, resulted in grey wolf cells carrying key genetic traits of the dire wolf. These modified cells, when used to create embryos and implanted into surrogate mothers, gave rise to the revived dire wolves, marking a watershed moment in the history of de-extinction.